laptop stand, which is made of plastic, around $1. So I was about to fix this stand because the laptop is sliding. So I'm gonna show you how I fix this. So we can use this cheap plastic laptop stand. So this way, I'm showing you that this is how I use, and this is how it slides when I'm about to use it. 90 degrees. When you're about to type the keyboard, it slides onto you. So this part is to use to smooth that the edge of the laptop slides. So okay, so now I'm gonna show you the materials needed for this project. So we need a plastic pipe, and even one piece of plastic pipe is enough. So we need a candle and a candle stand or a candle holder. You don't have to use so much, as long as you have a lighter. Lighter is enough. And then we're gonna light up the candle. And then be careful to those who has a child at home. Do not do this when you have a child near you. This is dangerous for children. Okay, so we're gonna melt the plastic and put it onto the edge where the laptop edge slides. So it acts as a stopper. So this way you have to be very careful, because I have no gloves. Even when you have gloves, it will still penetrate if this plastic drops onto your finger. So I will be very careful not to drop any of the plastics, melted plastic onto my finger or onto my hand. So there you go. As you can see, it was easily removed. So now I'm gonna use this sandpaper. The edge of the laptop stand is smooth, so when you drop the plastic, it was just removed. Smooth. So therefore I decided to use this sandpaper to make these edges rough. So there you go. I am done making it rough. I'm gonna show it to you that I am done making rough edges. As you can see, there is it's not smooth anymore, so now I'm gonna fire the candle again, and then try again the same method. Okay, so gonna use the same pad, the same plastic to save material. I made it rough so the melted plastic will hold on to the edge because it has a rough edges, so make it more like hold onto the plastic, onto the white plastic more. So this way I can I was thinking this is the best solution. So the laptop one slide towards you while you're typing it. I'm actually not gonna buy any cheap laptop stand anymore if it has no stopper. I was just excited, therefore I bought this one without checking it. So now as you can see, I'm just making it a bit more, so it will stop your laptop from sliding. So now let's do the trial and error. Okay. Hold time. Let's see. So as you can see, I know we don't have to talk like that, but I'm just maybe when you're mad you can type like that. So as you can see, it holds still, but let's see the other way. Let me make the laptop a bit slower. This one is a bit high, so it's more like 2 inches high. That's 5-inch high. Let's make it less, like 2 inches. Oh, there you go. There you go. So it's a fail project. So now another method is using your rubber band or rubber tie, hair tie. This one I am using a rubber hair tie which is made of a stretchy cloth. It's not really a rubber band, it was like a stretchy clothes. I know, not gloves, not gloves, stretchy cloth that was turned into a hair tie. So tied in both ends. So as you can see, making it so tight that it will grip onto the edge, and this is already used and old enough that it's still stretchy. So this one is a bit has a rough texture. The cloth has a rough texture. So so I was thinking this might be good We need to put this on the as a stopper on the edge of the laptop stand. Okay, so it's holding it. It's holding it. Let's lower the stand. Let's see if this will please roll. Oops. Oops. Not that lower. Not that too much. Too low. Okay. That's fine. Okay. It's holding. Okay, it's holding. It's already I'm typing. So there you go, guys. It's holding. Thanks for the views.